Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2005 Kubota B7800 tractor, loader, backhoe. I love tractor, loader, backhoe combinations. These B7800s are a tough tractor. Of course, they're same as a B2910. 7800 is what replaced it. Really a tough tractor. V1505 4-cylinder diesel motors in them. This tractor is right at 747 hours. It does have a factory Kubota LA402 loader, which is a quick attach loader. Coming here to the back, it has a BH77 backhoe attachment. We're going to take you right here to the engine, start you completely around this tractor, start it, run it, show you everything it's supposed to do. Under the hood here, going to have a Kubota V1505 4-cylinder diesel engine. They were a heck of a motor, used in a lot of common straw blowers, and they actually used it in a couple different little skid loaders. Really a nice basic 4-cylinder motor. Very well put together, and they start very easy in the winter time. We have had this thing in the shop, 100% serviced it, all brand new Kubota brand filters. We don't mess around whenever it comes to service. We do like to service our stuff, and that way I know what I have. We changed all hydraulic filters. We went completely through this thing. We run all Rotella brand engine oil in this stuff. Again, no abnormal leaks, smoke, blow by, anything like that. I want to point out a couple things on this hood. So, there is a dent here, okay? There is a small pair of dents right there. And on this side over here, I want to show everybody this. It's a common thing on the 7800s, 2910s. This hose group come up through here and it's rubbed the hood, okay? Very common thing. But, absolutely no aftermarket welding on the loader whatsoever. Now, I'll be honest with the bucket. So, when this thing came in here, I don't know how it happened. I have no idea. The man did add a lifting hook here, but it had a crack in the cutting edge. And don't know if it was manufacturer defect. I have no idea. I sent this bucket over to our local welding shop, and we actually unpinned it, sent it over. He put a brand new cutting edge in it, did a side cutter here, and put that together. I didn't want anybody to have any problems. I didn't want to weld it, didn't want to do anything like that, but it's all been redone. So, this particular tractor will have normal scratches and scrapes and that kind of thing of a 2005 era tractor, but if you're looking for a good heavy sheet metal tractor, here they are. These are quite a machine. Up front, going to have the 23 by 8.50 by 14 R4 tires. Tires are both matched in the front, 50%. Coming to the rear, 12.4 by 16 R4, both 75%, both matched, okay? Coming up here on your controls, you have a 3-speed hydrostatic transmission, high, neutral, medium, neutral, and low. 540 PTO. Tractor also has mid PTO. So if you wanted to buy a belly mower deck and put it into this tractor, you can do that. Okay. Seat is in like new condition. Floor pad, very nice. Generally these floor pads are all rolled up and ones that were really weathered. But this is in nice shape. Got locking differential here. You have your clutch disconnect for your hydrostat. And I'm going to head over to the other side. Camera guy can stay right where he's at and tell you about that. Real simple design here on the hydrostatic transmission. Basically, you got forward and reverse, okay? Independent brakes, which you can lock out or let locked in. I see I just got dirty. You have cruise control, parking brake lock, 4 ways, throttle. There's an auxiliary light here on the back. That's what this switch is for, and your light switches. 747 hours. You have joystick loader control over here. And 4-wheel drive in and out, and up and down for your 3-point hitch arms. So, coming on to the back, we do have, and I'll show you here in a second, we do have a full set of 3-point hitch arms for this tractor. It comes with it. So you have 3-point 540 PTO, okay? This is the later model backhoe. So someone had purchased this and had put on afterwards. This is a BH77, which was primarily used in like your B3030s, B3000s. These are a heck of a backhoe. Arch style boom, has a 16-inch bucket with it, joystick control, full subframe mount package, okay? Backhoe is in very nice shape, some scratches, it's thumb ready, but the thing is very tight. It's not a slop that piece of junk. So, does have a, I believe that's a Curtis, probably made for Kubota. It has a canopy cover with the folding rocks. So we'll get you a complete run around here so you can see the whole machine. Again, Backhoe is very nice and tight. We are going to operate everything for you, sure everything works. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up, show you 4-wheel drive works. We're going to go through all the ranges. We'll actually function or run the Backhoe here for you so you can see that everything works the way it's supposed to. one nice thing on the B877 Backhoe, this has an integrated boom lock. You have to mess with the pin. Up here for the swing control, you have a pin. Generally, that's missing, but it's all there and complete. See there from the video, tractor starts, runs, works, really does handle very nice. Backhoe is super smooth and has good power. Again, other than a couple dents in the hood and that rub mark from the hose, really nice tractor. And there's normal scratches, and everybody understand that. But it's about what I can say about it. It's just I like that size of tractor. I like them 2910s, I like the 7800s, even the B3030s and 3000s. That's a nice size all-around tractor. So, and keep in mind, this is a true subframe mount backhoe attachment system versus something that's 3-point from a lot of other manufacturers. If you really want quality, you want to get a subframe mount backhoe. So, if you have any questions on this, let us know. Tractor loader backhoes don't hang around long; they're hard to find, especially stuff like this. It's pre-admissions. Keep that in mind. Again, 4-cylinder Kubota B7800. Thing's fully serviced, 110% ready to go to work. I like this little machine. If you need a freight quote, let us know. We'll be glad to get you one. We can easily ship this stuff and very, very reasonable. Just give us a call. We'll be glad to get you a quote. It won't cost you a dime. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066, and this is located right here at 18563 Bunn Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. Again, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.